The next step is the ideation. So this is now the time where you can think of solutions. Probably what you really waited on the whole day. So after narrowing all the research down, it's now time to be broad again and think of as many ideas as possible in a certain amount of time. And yeah, imagine possibilities, ideas, solutions that can help your persona. And so the activities, prepare your space. So maybe when you do the ideation, all of you stand up to get like the blood flowing and activate your brain cells again. And take post-it notes. Take a big pen, not a small pen, but a big pen. And then write one idea on one post-it and make it visible. So when you put it on the board and you stand here, you can still see that post-it note and know what it says. And you can probably just go in rounds. There's different methods to do the brainstorming. So you could either do a silent brainstorming, where you each take maybe 5 to 10 minutes and think of any ideas, write them down, and then share them within the team. Or you do it open from the beginning. So I have one idea, I put it on the board, and then that makes it easier to build on the ideas of the others. So that's up to you what you like better, basically, in your team. And we have some brainstorming rules or recommendations, I would say. So try to be visual, as I said. Maybe combine your ideas, your words with a picture or something, or picture only. Defer judgment. Any idea is possible, as crazy as it seems, just go with it. Don't judge yet. Encourage wild ideas, because those are the ideas where you can come up with really nice solutions afterwards if you maybe reiterate and take the super craziness out of it later, but it helps you to broaden your solution space. Then build on the ideas of others. That's one of the biggest advantages if you do brainstorming in a group. If one has an idea and the other say, yeah, I know, I got this idea. Right on top. So go for quantity. As I said, as many ideas as possible, and then you select later. So the first step is really go wild, crazy. One conversation at a time. So listen to your people in your team. So when one speaks, the others are silent and listen, because you don't want any ideas to get lost.
It's difficult.
It's a very challenging one, I know. And stay focused on topic. So this is very important. If you do the brainstorming and have maybe 10-minute sessions for each brainstorming round, put your cell phone away and your computer away and everything away, and focus on this part. And yeah, we will help you again through this. And before you start, it's important to define your how might we question. And the how might we question is the question where you want to find your solutions for. You can, if you want, create more than one how might we question. For those of you who also build more than one persona, you can have multiple how might we questions and then do sets for each question, maybe 2 or 3 10-minute sets. And those how might we questions, you can just build it out of your point of view. How might we help Jan to do this and that? And that's how you start. After brainstorming, I also want you to cluster your ideas. As we did earlier with the research, now the same thing for the ideation. So the last maybe, I would say, 5 minutes, cluster all your ideas, and then you have a voting round to vote on the ideas you want to continue with, you want to build your prototype for. And you get like little colored dots, and each of you has 3 votes for the idea you want to proceed with. And after that you can decide, you can also think of combining some of the things. That's up to you. So for the whole thing you have 60 minutes. So the first 45 minutes I would focus on ideating, but make it like short, not too long. Maybe 10 minutes, then take a break. Think about, okay, do we need to change the how might we question? Are we on a wrong track? Like, how can we make it even better? So take 10-minute steps and do ideation sessions, circles. And after 45 minutes, start clustering and then vote on the ideas you'd like to proceed with. Any questions, comments?
And if you're low on energy, there are some sweets and candy outside already.
And apples.
And apples.
For the healthy people.
Healthy stuff as well.
Yes. All right, 60 minutes start now. Have fun, guys.